everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at a classic Sunbeam electric alarm clock. This is a late 1960s model. This is a B001 or an AB001, and it is a 60 hertz 2-watt alarm clock. And you can see it has a gold smooth moving second hand, kind of a space age hour hand, and a black minute hand. And underneath that hour hand is the alarm clock, and I wanted to pull the alarm button in the back so you can hear what it sounds like. For sale, it's classic white. Could use a little buff or polish on the acrylic cover there, and it makes a little noise like all old clocks used to. This one has probably been sitting in the store for a while, so the noise is a little louder than it should be, but it will quiet down with operation. Clever little design, simple. I like the back where they have this kind of a ivy daisy looking print, and a nice brass alarm button, and a nice little detent cut out for the cord so it sits flat. So overall, very nice shape, works fine. Just a cool late 1960s vintage alarm clock. Thanks for watching.